In this video, I'll show you how to get an LED flash notification. So every time you get a notification, depending from where, this will flash. So it will be much easier to know that you received one. So you're going to go into the settings of your phone, then go down and go in accessibility. Then go down, select audio and visual, go all the way down and select LED flash for alerts. Turn this on, and this is about it. And you're going to have two options. So this first one, flash while unlocked, will only flash if you activate it when the phone is unlocked. And if the phone is locked, this will not go off. If you turn it off, even if the phone is locked, the LED will flash. And then you have flash in silent mode. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. When your phone is in silent mode, do you want the LED to flash? If yes, keep it. If you don't, well, remove it. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.